I have a great tip for you, and it's so easy to do and very affordable. You see this? This is my vertical tower gardens. I built these for about $13 each. Now I go to LAZADA, and there's a link down here below. Click on it in the description, and it tells you where to buy this. You can buy 18 of these for about $15 and a couple dollars for shipping. And then you buy one of these steel rods, and I painted it so it won't get all rusty. And it's 5 feet long plus another 18 inches underground. And then I put a 2-foot piece of 2-inch PVC pipe, and it all sits on there. It's very simple. And then I fill each one of these with about 30% or more of coconut coir, rice hulls, and some compost. Now I've got way too many things growing here right now, but when these get a little bit bigger, I'll transfer them to some of these areas that aren't growing as well, or I haven't planted anything yet. And see how this rotates? Isn't that slick? Now if you go to the LAZADA website, you can find a link, like I said at the bottom here in the description, and you get 18 pieces. So if you've got each one here, I have 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If you got 6 high, what is that? That's 3 towers. And each tower with the cement in the ground, the rebar, and the soil mix, maybe $15 total. It's simple. And I got all kinds of stuff growing here. I got pumpkins in here. I've got pechay. I've got kangkong. I've got cilantro growing. And these are all recent growth, so it's not going to be big right now. And then I have thyme. And over here's some basil. And this is, what the hell that? I think that's a hot pepper. I think a bird planted that. And here is some sweet peas. And over here is another hot pepper. And then we have dill. And there's more basil. Where'd the basil go? Well, there's basil. I transplanted a lot of this, so it's kind of limpy right now. But do this. And if you live in an area here that gets a lot of rain, this is ideal because this will drain right out and never get waterlogged. Now, this LAZADA website is for Filipino-based viewers only. But you can go on to Mr. Stacky in the States, but you're going to pay about $8 for each one of these. And with shipping, I said it's about just under $1 each. In the States, you're going to pay $8 or more each plus shipping. So it's pretty hard to drown these things. Looks like somebody's been eating on this. I don't care. I don't do too much pest control. I'll come through here once a time a day and check for any kind of bugs crawling on there. I don't spray this stuff because I'm going to be eating it. And you could eat these right now. This is pechay. And this is a Chinese cabbage. There's a bunch of names for it. But you can eat it when it gets much, much bigger, or eat it just like this as greens. This is a nice look. You can easily mow around it. Here's some nice developing cilantro. I say, isn't that neat? Go to that description and you'll see a link to LAZADA. I think they'll give me a couple dollars if you buy it. I don't really care whether they do or not. And then, if you have some delicate plants and the bugs are eating it, order one of these or a bunch of these. These mosquito nets are designed to go over your bed. And that solves the problem. You don't have to spray anything. And I think these cost about $1. So I buy 10 or more of them and pay maybe $1 or $2 for shipping. Hey, do it. Go to the description and buy it. Do yourself a favor. Thank you.